Well, hello there. You look absolutely gorgeous today. Can I give you a hug, a coffee, maybe even a blanket? Because we are going to settle down and draw today. I'm doing this not only because redrawing your beautiful OCs is so much fun, but also to give a little bit of attention to smaller artists. Everyone deserves their art to be seen. Artists supporting artists. I have been wanting to do this ever since I started this YouTube channel, and I am so grateful that there are so many fellow artists who wanted their characters redrawn. I will be posting more Twitter posts like this soon, so make sure you follow me on Twitter so you can submit your characters. Depending on how many likes I get on this video, I will be doing a new OC video here in a little bit. But that only depends on how good this video does, since I'm trying something new. So definitely give a like if you do like this video. So here we are on the Twitter post. Let's go ahead and take a look at the submissions. I really didn't think there would be so many submissions for the first time. So first we have Rara. They are a friend of mine that I made in Discord. They're one of my VTuber buddies. Their art is so pretty. I would say this is a really good VTuber design. I love this piece so much. Here's another one. This is Lumi. So the idea is they're another VTuber, right? I love the colors for this piece. I don't know, it looks like it's a mech suit. I also like the floating hands. That's really cool. I also got this one, and I love that they put in a description for their character. This artist really can capture a lot of information on one character, it's really cool. It looks like there is definitely a story to tell with this one. Oh, and this is Aki. I really, really like this piece. It might be because I'm biased with the pigtails, because I have pigtails too. I love big pigtails so much. And oh my gosh, maybe it's just because they look really sweet, but also a little bit gremlin-y. Oh, and I love this one too. This is from Faye. Faye has a beautiful little OC, super adorable, like overly cute. I love how there's just frogs, like the idea is frogs, and it feels very spring-like. And there are so many more submissions here. You can see so many people wanted to show their beautiful, beautiful artworks. I also did get some submissions on Discord too. But yeah, let's go ahead and dive in, pick 3, and start drawing. I fell in love with Lumi's design here. So Lumi's character, I just wanted to get into the backstory a bit, is actually a sea slug hiding in an almost like a mech suit, if you will. Honestly, it's such a fun design. I know Lumi put a lot of thought into it. Because of that, I wanted to take the time and try and make their character the best I possibly could be without changing it too much, because honestly, the idea is pretty darn cool. I kind of want to give them a sassy pose because they're just so cute, I couldn't help it. And you'll also see in the video, I didn't really realize their OC was a sea slug at first, so I put an eye in the helmet of the mech suit instead of the actual sea slug. I'm so glad Lumi hopped on stream with me to correct that. Lumi is going to be using this design to make a VTuber model, just like how I use, because I can't trust y'all to see this gorgeous face hiding behind my character. I'm sure Lumi has the same reason. I became friends with Lumi pretty fast during this process. They are so sweet, and I wanted to shout them out from the rooftop. Once they finish their model and do their debut stream, I'll make sure to yeet ya in their direction so that you can see the beautiful artwork that they've created. Honestly, I love how this piece turned out. The lighting and the shading really did turn out pretty well in my opinion. Let me know how you think of Lumi down in the comments. Alright, so this is Rara's OC. I call her Para during streams. Like I said before, there is a very interesting color palette. I was super excited to draw a curvier, more feminine figure because lately I've been obsessed with cute and modest characters lately. Rara's OC is definitely not modest, but I love that because it works with their character design so much. I don't know much about this OC's backstory, other than that it's Rara's VTuber model. Their description on Twitter talks about how they're a demonic cat of some sort, which is honestly so cute. Rara does stream currently, and I would highly, highly recommend them. They are such a sweet human being. I really tried to make her a thirst trap, to be honest, but I still ended up making her cute somehow. But I was hoping I could make her character a bit more, you know. Either way, I love how this turned out. Rara was so excited to see the finished piece, and I hope I made her as happy as I did drawing it, and I'm so glad I did their character justice. So this is Faye's OC. I saw the frogs and I was like, yes, because frogs are so cute, and my favorite color is green. Selfish, I know, but that's what drew me to their OC design. I love Faye's choice in color. The blues, greens, and yellows gives it such a spring, fresh vibe. I feel like I'm eating like a fresh green salad when I look at their OC for some reason. Maybe that's why everyone says they want to eat drawings. I always thought that that was cute and odd, but I never knew why people said they wanted to eat art until now. Now this character is right up my alley. Cute with pastel colors, so this was a piece of cake. I chose the cutest pose I can think of. I just wanted to give this OC the love that they deserve. That means I put a lot of care into this one. I mean, I put a lot of care into all of them, but what can I say? I just love drawing all of your OCs so much. It's really a fun challenge, especially if the character's out of your comfort zone. I made sure to give everyone their OC redraws via Discord or Twitter DM. Make sure to follow them. These are all amazing artists who deserve all of the love in the world. That's all of the OCs for today. Let me know which one was your favorite down in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe and caress that like button like it's your beloved pet, and stay tuned for the next video.